Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Favor Zoe and you're welcome. If you're new here, thank you for coming, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. I love you guys. Alright, so the look I have on right now is an everyday makeup look which can be worn anywhere at all, and I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this look. Keep watching guys. So now I'm going in with my L.A Girl Pro Prep Soothing Face Primer, and just applying that to where I get oily the most, which is my T-zone area. And it's better to use your hand. And then I'm going in with my Jordana Complete Cover Foundation in Mahogany, and just applying that all over my face. I'm going to be applying that also to where I get that dark circles, and also to the part of my face darker than the rest, which is around my mouth area, and I'm just going to be applying that all over. And I'm applying it downward so there are no hairs popping up. And then I'm dampening my beauty sponge with my setting spray, and then I'm going to dab that all over my face, all over. I'm going to dab that so much on my face that everything looks flawless. Blending is key, it's key. You can't just put on the foundation and just leave it. You have to blend that in till it looks skin-like. Yeah. And then I'm going in with my L.A Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn, and I'm just applying that to my under eye. And then to my Cupid's bow, and we dance a little. Then to my Cupid's bow, and then to my chin, and to the bridge of my nose and my forehead.
I'm headed to the bottom of the bottle. I've been drowning, I've been floating away.
Just apply some setting spray to make it last longer, and then I'm blending out the concealer. Just blending it up. If you noticed, I applied it to it's reaching the tip of my nose, because I want that nose chiseled, because I'm not going to be applying any contour on my nose. I'm not going to be applying any, so I'm just bringing it closer to the tip of my nose to make that nose a little bit chiseled. And I'm going in with a smaller blending sponge and just blending that in very well, very well. And I'm blending my chin, the concealer on my chin, and the concealer on my Cupid's bow, and the rest of my face. And then I'm going in with my setting powder and then applying that to where I concealed, to set that concealer. And before that, if you notice, I blended my concealer well before applying the powder. Just applying that to where I concealed. And since this one is an everyday makeup look, you don't want that powder to sit on for too long. You don't want it to bake for too long. You just want to dust it all off immediately. So I'm just blending that in with the blending sponge. Just blending the, before I use my brush to blend it all in, I'm going to use my blending sponge first. And then I'm going in with my brush, my powder brush, and just blending that in furthermore. Just blending that in, dusting off the excess. And then I'm applying some concealer on my eyelids because I'm not going to be applying any eyeshadow. I'm just applying this to open up my eyes so it doesn't look too dull. And just blending that in. And then I'm going in with my eyeliner because that's what I want, and also because it's further more opens up the eyes. And I'm just doing a little wing, like nothing too dramatic, just a little wing, little, yeah. And just doing a little inner corner wing liner, a little bit. It might not be a little, but that is how I prefer it. So yeah. And now I'm going in with my blush lighter. It's a blush mixed with highlighter. So before then, I'm going to spray my face with some setting spray to make all those powder disappear and let it soak into my skin. And this is a procedure I just like because it makes everything seamless. I just love using my beauty sponge to dab that setting spray all in, dab it all in and make it flawless. And now I'm going in with that blush lighter. I'm just applying it to my cheeks. If you can see, it's giving my cheeks a little glow, but also putting that color in there, but giving it a little glow at the same time. This would be really great if you don't really want that highlighter look on your face for an everyday look. This would be really great, but later on I put on some highlighter because highlighter is life, like.
Take me in the smoke, breathe me in and let me go. Filling the lungs inside you, and the blackened eyes make my way into your mind. Just to know what you knew. Restless every time we start locking eyes. Lost control.
And now I'm going to be contouring my forehead very lightly because we don't want those harsh lines, and also under my cheekbone, just lightly. We don't want those harsh lines because it's an everyday makeup look, so just contour lightly. And then I'm going to use some mascara to just open up my eyes because I'm not going to be using false lashes. This is how I do my everyday makeup look. No lashes, just my natural lash with some mascara on. And now I'm going to be lining my lips with some random brown pencil, and this just to outline my lips for the nude color I'm going to be putting on later on, and just outlining my lips. I'm just lining the inner corners of my lips to prepare it for the nude color that's going to be coming on, so that the nude color can blend in well with the brown lip liner. So I'm applying some nude lipstick on the fuller part of my lips, and then blending it out by smacking my lips together. I would also use some lip gloss. This is optional. If you just want to use your lipstick just like that's great, but I love a lip gloss when doing my everyday makeup look, so I'm going to put on some lip gloss. So guys, that's the finished look. I hope you love this look, and please subscribe, like and comment on this video. Thank you.
Hold me close till I get up. Time and